A child abduction alert has been issued in Portage County for the following child: Ruby R. Lehman, age 6, female, white, 4 foot 0 inches, 100 pounds, brown hair, and green eyes. Was last seen wearing a lavender dress with smiley faces and white shoes with Lilo and Stitch on them. Child was last seen at 1201 County Road D and is missing from Almond, Wisconsin. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of Jordan A. Coyle, age 34, male, white, 6 feet 3 inches, 246 pounds, red hair, beard and a mustache, and blue eyes. Tattoos include peace symbol on left breast and dinosaur, puppy, butterfly, and cat on arm.